Okay, it is May 3rd, and we've had 1.5 to 2 inches of rain. So Dale and I got on the four-wheelers and decided to come down to go to see Parker Creek, but we don't know that we're going to get across, because it is moving pretty swiftly.
It's not that deep, it's just that it's going so fast.
So what do you say, Dale?
I didn't pay for that four-wheeler.
It is moving fast. Okay, this is Scenic Overlook, and it's rushing pretty fast. And we're getting wet going through all the mud puddles. Dale wanted me to film him going through this. Oh no, oh no, Dale! See how he looks.